Hey guys, it's Lou with Braunstein Auction Company. I'm going to walk you real quick through the bidding process in this simple tutorial video. A couple of minutes, you'll be up and ready to go to participate in Orlando's premier live virtual auction. Welcome aboard, and we'll see you at auction time. All right, here we go. First off, you're going to go over to braunsteinauction.com. You're going to click on that day's auction. And then you'll see the button for sign into live auction, and there will be your information where you fill out the boxes. Please do make sure that in the first name box you also include your bidder number or buyer number. So in my instance, say we would put in Lou number 111. Then your last name, just as normal, your email address that you'll be signing in with, and then your phone number. All these fields are required, and please do make sure that you have registered to be a bidder with us and received your buyer number. This is actually to register to get into the auction. After you do it the first time, you won't have to go back through your email. You'll just simply, if we are online, you'll click in. You'll see the auction items. At this point, when you see this, you'll make sure that you drop that little menu down in the chat box and make sure that you are typing to everyone, not hosts and panelists. Your bid won't be recognized if it's going to hosts and panelists. And the items have the lot numbers as they are numbered in sequence, and that is how we will do the auction. So at the point when you see that, you'll hear me say, for instance, lot number 1, we have the pictures, a whole lot. Give it a go. 25, 30, that'll be 30. So it's relatively easy. Just listen for the numbers, and always make sure if you're on a mobile device that where it says everyone, if you're switching back and forth on a mobile device, it could kick you back to hosts and panelists. So please make sure that that always says to everyone. If you're on a mobile device, please use 2 devices, watch on one and bid on the other. And on a computer, it is easiest. So say, for instance, on the purse, we're going 10, 20. All you do is type in 30, 35, and pretending somebody else, for example, is bidding against you. 30, 35, 35, 40, 40, 40. I've sold it. $35, going to buyer 104. So on the chat panel after we sell it, you will see the buyer number and sold to, so you can confirm that went to you, and you are good to go. So we will see you on the auction. Be ready. Looking forward to it. Have an amazing
14, 2 to bid. How about